Welcome back, students. So last time we solved some questions in which we were asked to find the value of the voltages or currents by using the specific method which was given in the question statement. From this question onwards, we have to find the specified value or the values which we are asked to find out by using the convenient method which we find feasible for us. Okay, so this is our circuit and we are told to find out the power delivered by the 2 amps source. Okay, so as we know that the value of the power dissipation by any source can be find out by using this equation, P is equal to IV. As in the case of a current source, we are given the value of current but we don't know the value of voltage, so we have to find out the voltage here. Okay, so now we have to choose between the two methods which we recently studied, which are basically the node voltage method and the mesh current method. So if we consider this circuit or solve this circuit by using the mesh current method, so we can see here that we will have two meshes here. The first one will be here, second one will be here. We have to consider the currents 1 and 2 here in any direction. Let me consider them in the clockwise direction, like this one. So when we will solve them, we can again see here that we have a current source in the branch which is shared by the two meshes, and two equations we will have, and after solving the two equations we will get the current, and after the current we will have to find out the value of the voltage here, the value of voltage here, and from these equations we have to find out the voltage here, and we will also use a Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, so that method will be somehow very lengthy. So suppose if we are not using the mesh current method, so if we use here the node voltage method, so the node voltage method, what is the first step? We have to identify the number of nodes. So the first node is here and the second node is here. So if we consider this one as our reference node, so this and this one as our node where we have to find the voltage, so this is the only voltage which we have to find because this one is the required voltage. So the question here by using the node voltage method will be quite simple. Okay, so we can also draw a simplified version of this circuit, and that would be like this one. Okay, this one is our reference node, this is our voltage here, this is the 15, this is 10, this is plus minus 25, this is plus minus 20, and now we have three currents. Let me denote those currents by red color. Okay, so this is, let me call it I1, I2, and this is the I3. Okay, so now here applying KCL here, we can see that the value of I1 plus I2 plus I3, this is equal to 0, or V0 is equal to the 175 divided by 5, which will ultimately give me the value of 35 volts. So this is the voltage, this is the value of voltage which I have to find out, or which is required by me. Okay, so now as I have find out the value of this voltage here, so I can easily find out the power dissipated by this source, and that is basically the 2 ampere, and the value of current here is the 2 multiplied by the voltage across is 35, so this is now 70. Okay, so this is the 70 volt. So what was the concept behind solving this question? So you have to see which method is feasible for you to solve any circuit which will give you ease in finding or in calculating the quantities which are required in any circuit. Okay, so that's it for this question, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.